Hello everybody, this is Hina and welcome to another tutorial of Dillenium marketing, and today I'm going to create a simple logo design based on the fox concept. And I need to create a conceptual fox based on some basically it's a logo design for an application, mobile application. So the company is going to create a simple their local business application. So they wanted me to create a logo design based on this box that should have a conceptual box along with the business or the product name or the application name. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I took this image from the internet through Google, and now I'm using this. It's a natural fox. So what I'm going to do, I'm creating outlines by using this pen tool and simply using those outlines to form a conceptual fox logo. So now let's start it. First of all, to draw the lines, I'm going into the 100%, 300% just to make it a clear picture. Even though the picture is not high resolution, it's blurring when I'm going to increase or make it on a high for zooming up, but I can look around the lines and I can simply create it. You don't need to be the concept that I'm creating right now. Actually, it requires a simple concept of fox lines or the fox drawing. So I'm not going into the perfect drawing of this fox. I'm just taking the outlines to create a more mature look of the fox. So it's a natural fox design. So I'm not going the absolute lines format. I'm just taking a simple concept, and where I found that I need to create it a more curvy or more edgy, then I will do it accordingly. So you can just if you want to create the similar sort of logo design, then you can may have a little technique, because this is a simple idea that I've just got. It might be if somebody else has designed the same logo design, he or she will use the different concept, but I'm very easy or comfortable to design the logo by using this technique. So this seems easy for me. So because designing is a very diverse way, so everybody uses own creativity to design logo design. So I want to use the simple techniques. I want to make it a little, pointed, because the design concept that I have in mind is if I will place the edgy lines or the pointed sharp lines, then it will create a more impact rather than going into the curvy lines or the rounded lines, especially at the edges. So I want to just drawing it like this. And if you are not feeling that some lines are not well, then you can change it later as well. If you are a beginner and you are learning Illustrator, then it's a good idea to create these sort of logo designs, because in this way we can learn a lot to design the natural objects or the natural things by using some concepts. And simply taking these lines are here. And if you feel that some lines are out of scope, or yeah, it doesn't turn out well, then you can change it later as well. By using the pencil tool, you can change it. By using the direct selection tool, you can make it as per your requirement. So don't worry about it if anything goes wrong. So this is a simple concept or design that we have just created. Now I'm moving back to 100% here, and now removing this line from here, simply selecting it out, and here I'm giving it a black color, just the stroke, and it will be look like this. So you can see that how the design is formed. I'm just have to work around this part. And here what I'm going to do, I'm simply intact the direct selection tool here, click on it, and simply extend it like this to make it more visible. In the same way, you can do the same thing here. So if you want to move it around a little bit, then you can also do that. But I think previous one was much better. So I want to go with this. And if you want that, if you want to fix it a lot, and then you can also do it. For example, I want to make it little, uh, whenever you are designing these type of things, make sure you should not use the anchor points in a complex way. Your anchor points should be clean, concise, and try to use the minimum anchor points, because if you will use the maximum number of anchor points, then your design will be quite messy. Or I want to use one thing here. I want to use simple here, and you can simply remove it from here in the same way. Okay, here up to delete path here. Anyways, leave it, no problem for this. And now what I'm going to do, I'm simply taking this pen tool again, and here I'm simply drawing this line, straight line, by pressing shift. And here you can go into the effect, and now I'm using this twist tool, and I'm giving it angling of around 25-degree. Preview it so it will be twist like this. Okay, so now the next step that I'm going to do, I'm simply taking the line, and I'm creating a simple copy of this, and then press Ctrl D and hold on. So it will be look like this after doing this part. And now you can simply extend this, keep it here. The next time you can remove it from here. And now the next part that I'm going to do, I'm pressing Ctrl G to group it, and here I'm simply taking Ctrl C and Ctrl F to place in same place, and now simply taking it like this, so you can see how it would be look like. And now the next thing that I'm going to do, I'm simply creating angle to this, so it will be look like this after doing these things. So you can shift it according to your, I want to create it more, something, so it will create a pattern like this. So the next step that I'm going to do, I'm taking this box, and now I'm reflecting it to right side, and use the vertical axis and just reflect it, so it will be look like this. And here you can just scale it down, place it over the lines. If you feel this is quite bigger than the lines pattern, then you can remove it, and you can adjust it accordingly. Simple, take it like this, and now I'm placing it over the lines here, and simply select each and everything together and make clip mask. Control Z here, and you can take it like this. I want to ungroup it, and taking it here and arrange send to back, so the lines arrange, ungroup it, arrange send to back, and here are, so now you can select each and everything together and make clip mask, so you can see how the design is forming. Now you can remove the remaining lines from here, and here is the simple box illustration that we have created. And now we have to create a simple, I want to keep it black in the background, and simply increasing it like this. And now take it here, arrange icon, and send to front, so you can see how the design is there. So I'm taking the reach and everything together here, and simply going into the gradients, and now I want to use the pastels here, and simply taking this color can shift it to the stroke so it will be look like this, and now you can remove it from here. And simply I need to place the business name here, or the application name, sorry, uh, push stroke. So you can increase the size. Now you can change the font as well. I want to use the, I think this one is okay. So simply create an outline, and now I want to give it a color like this, and here you can move it to, and I want to Control Z, and now I want to turn a stroke color should be off, and you can simply take it here, and now you can adjust the design like this. Simple and easy. You can easily do it. One thing that I want to create here, I want to press Ctrl 2 to lock this layer, background layer, and now I'm ungrouping it and simply taking this and keeping it near to push, and then now I'm changing the color to might be grayish white, so keep it here. I think the color will remain same, so it will not create a much impact to this design. So you can see how it would be look like. Now you can simply group it together to this, and now take it like this. So this is a simple logo design that we have just created by using the simple techniques, and created this conceptual box, and now it's ready, and it's very simple, very easy, and if you want to create a similar or related logo design, then you can also do that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will come back to you in another tutorial. Subscribe to my channel. Have a very good day. Bye bye.